Hello, good morning students. In my today class 7th video of mathematics, we have to study properties of division of integers. Properties of division of integers. Properties of division of integers. The very first property is here. If a and b are integers, and a divided by b equals to c, or when a divided by b the quotient will be c, then it is not necessarily that c is also an integer. C is also an integer. Now, the second law. What is the first law here? If a and b are integers, and if a is dividing with b or b is dividing with a, and suppose we are result getting here c, then it is not necessarily that c is also an integer. Now, rule number 2. If a is an integer and a is not equal to 0, then when an integer divided by itself, then the result will always plus 1. When any integer divided by itself, then the quotient or result will always plus 1. Now the rule number 3rd, or the third property is here. If a is an integer and any integer when divided by plus 1, then the quotient or result will be same. If a is an integer and any integer when divided by plus 1, then the quotient or result will be the same integer. Means here the identity of integer will not change. Rule number 4. If a is an integer and a is not equal to 0, then if here two cases. Case 1. If 0 is divided by an integer, then the result will 0. But in case 2 here, if an integer is divided by 0, then its result is non-defined. Non-defined. So these are the 4 rules of division of integers, or these are the 4 properties of division of integers. Now we have to solve the exercise 1C of RS Agrawal book. So we have to look here. Now exercise 1C here. The very first question is here, divide. Divide. The first question is 65 by minus 13. So when we are dividing 65 by minus 13, 13 5 is 65 here, the result will be minus 5. Look at question number 6 of 1. Minus 72 by minus 18. Now when we dividing minus 72 with minus 18, minus minus here cancel, 18 4 is 72. The result will be 4. One more question here, 9 number. 0 by minus 31. As I have told you earlier, when an integer is divided by when 0 is divided by any integer, the result will be 0. Now in question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Look at the first question here. 72 divided by, here fill up is given, equal to minus 4. Now let's consider this fill in the blanks as x. Therefore 72 by x equals to minus 4. Now cross multiplying here. So 72 is equal to minus 4 into x. Now therefore 72 by minus 4 is equal to x. 418 ja. Therefore x is equal to minus 18. So here the result is minus 18. Now look at question number 3rd of second. Fill in the blanks here. Divided by minus 4 equals to 24. Consider this number will be x. Now when x divided by minus 4, the result will be 24. Now again we have to cross multiply here. So x1 ja x here and 24 into minus 4. Therefore x equals to plus minus 24 4 ja 96 here. Therefore the value of x is equal to here minus 96. Look at question number 7 here of second number question. 39 divided by, fill in the blanks, is equal to minus 1. Consider this number. Leave the question number 7, it is just like question number first. We have to look here question number 6. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks. Divided by 1 is equal to minus 37. Consider this number x. So x divided by 1 is equal to minus 37. Again we have to cross multiply here. So x1 ja x and 37 on ja minus 37. So the result will be minus 37. Now this way you can solve rest of the problems of question number 2. Now we have to look the question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, write T for true and F for false statements. False statements. Now look at the first question here. 0 divided by minus 4 equals to 0. Yes, when an integer divided by minus 4, the result will be 0. So it is a true statement. Now look at question number 2. Minus 6 divided by 0 is equal to 0. No, just we have studied that when an integer is divided by 0, its result is non-defined. Non-defined. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is a false statement. Look one more example. Question number 5. Minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now, when, as I have told you earlier in the properties of division of integers, when an integer is divided by itself, the result will be always plus 1. So when minus 1 is divided by minus 1, its result will be plus 1. But here it is given that the result will be minus 1. So this statement is false. Like this, you have to solve the rest of the questions. In my next video, we will solve exercise 20. Thank you.